Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice export is failing, the file isn't downloading, or you're getting an export error message, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes that can help you export your documents successfully. First, close OnlyOffice completely and open it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the export process. Next, make sure your document is fully saved before exporting. Yeah, unsaved changes can sometimes cause export failures. If exporting to one format doesn't work, try another one. I mean, some file formats may experience compatibility issues. Make sure your device has enough free storage space. So, a lack of available space can prevent exported files from being created. Make sure you have permission to save files in the selected location. Restricted folders can block exports. Some antivirus programs may block newly created files. Yeah, temporarily disabling protection can help identify the issue. Make sure you're using the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often fix bugs related to exporting documents. Export a different document to see whether the issue affects only one file. I mean, the original file itself may be damaged. If export problems continue, reinstall OnlyOffice completely, so a fresh installation can repair corrupted application files. If nothing works, contact OnlyOffice support for further assistance. Yeah, they may be able to identify account or file-specific problems, and that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice export failed problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.